Hey guys, this is Adam with Adrenaline Cycles again. We got a buggy finished up here for a customer, Randall Elliott, and he'll be picking it up shortly. Just want to give you a quick walk around of some of the highlights of the stuff he went with and how our guys installed it here to make it all work correctly, look good, and ensure the guy never has any troubles going down the road. First off, the unit, a 2020 model XRS RR, so we got 195 horsepower and we got a Max, so we can take everybody with us. We'll start here at the front of the machine. We went with a BRP glass windshield with the wiper kit, and the wiper kit has the spray nozzle, so you get maximum visibility when you're riding in the mud, the muck, keep your windshield clean. This model does come with a BRP Plastic Roof as part of just the standard package, so he's got that on there with nothing better than the BRP upper doors, full Max set, with BRP aluminum lower doors. It's got the door handles integrated in them. Josh, come on around here and we'll show them a little bit on the inside. This was the model we gave you guys a little video on the other day about the ice crusher heater. You'll see that in here completely installed now, everything buttoned up, looking good. You got our little buddy over there riding around with us today, baby Yoda. Tablet holder installed, looking good for the guy to have his trail maps or whatever he's running in there. Moving on back, like I said, it's a Max machine. It's got the 4 doors with the enclosure. And you can see here, we do have a rear window installed to help keep the heat in from the ice crusher heater. It's all trimmed, cut to fit to work with what we got here in the back, which is the BRP Pivoting Rack and the BRP Cooler. With both these, man, if you're running this cooler, you gotta have the rack. Just needed the space, and this rack will do 2 things. It can hold the cooler, which unless you're tall like me, it ain't gonna do you no good, but it can hold the 12-gallon storage box, which is about the same size, but it's a storage box, so you can put tools, whatever you want in there, or a lot of people do use it to carry a spare tire, so that's another option as well, and it comes with everything to do that. So that's a cool trick setup. And another little trick, guys, if you do buy one somewhere else, which I hope you don't, buy it from us, make sure they turn your shocks to the inside. You can see here the reservoirs, our guys know what they're doing. So don't go to the dealership and they have them sticking to the outside of your machine. If they do that, call me and come buy one here. Okay? Stop what you're doing. They don't know what they're doing. Call me. If these are turned to the outside when you're there to pick it up, call me. But moving on around here, pretty straightforward. He kept all the factory stuff in the back, so not a whole lot going on there. Love the color scheme, the bluey, purpley color. It does change in the sunlight a little bit with the manta green, which is, my favorite color that Can-Am's had. He's on stock wheels now. He still hasn't made up his mind. He's waiting to come pick it up and actually, figure out what kind of tire and wheel package he's going to go with. That's about it, guys. Really nice, clean build. Didn't take a whole lot of time outside the heater. We done talked about that. The doors, the upper doors, all the Can-Am stuff's really straightforward, works really good. And our guys know how to do it because they do a lot of them. So if you're in the market for a new Can-Am or just need some accessories for the buggy you already got, click on some of the links below and we'll be able to help you guys out. And remember, like and subscribe our video, guys, so we can keep coming at you with them.